I made my very first video on the YouTube platform in April of 2020, almost 4 years ago to the day, and man did it suck. But over the years, I've gotten better at not only being a creator, but also a better computer guy. And all of you guys have actually taught me a lot of stuff along the way, so I'm super thankful for that. And because of all of you guys subscribing and liking, commenting, and sharing my videos, I got one of these. I want everyone that watches my channel to know that this is not just for me, this is for you. Because without you, it wouldn't have happened. So I figured the least I could do is open it up on camera and share it with you guys, because it's because of all of you that I have this. Here we go. It's kind of exciting. Inspected by Rick. Thanks, Rick. There she is. Presented to Ask Your Computer Guy for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think I'm going to put it over here. In all seriousness, I can't thank you guys enough. It's because of you that I have this, and you have shown me, no matter how tough it gets sometimes, or how much I want to quit, that if you work hard and you just do a good job and you put good stuff out there and people like what you do, they will reward you. So again, this is as much yours as it is mine. And I sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Love you guys.